Hi everyone, welcome back to the Wisdom Mirror online classes. Myself, Nagvini. Here, we are going to study a new poem that is A Free Man in today's class. Yes, my dear students, in The Free Man, this is the moral story and it is a moral story, and in this story we learn how to live freely. Yes, this poem gives us to live how to free in the society. Okay, my dear students, let us start the today's class. Yes, my dear students, the poem The Free Man is a very beautiful poem. The message of this poem is also a very beautiful. Yes, Free Man poem was written by the author Robert Burns. Yes, Robert Burns was a Scottish poet and lyricist. He is widely regarded as the national poet of the Scotland and is celebrated worldwide. As you know, Robert Burns is a Scottish and also a national poet. He has written the poem The Free Man. Yes. First, I read out the poem. Listen here. I have a penny to spend, there thanks to nobody. I have nothing to lend, I will borrow from nobody. I am nobody's lord, I will be slave to nobody. I have a good broadsword, I will take blows from nobody. I will be merry and free, I will be sad for nobody. Nobody cares for me, I care for nobody. Beautiful poem. This is one of the very beautiful poem written by the author Robert Burns. Yes. Here, first I read out the glossaries that comes in the poem. See here, penny. Penny means a small British coin and unit of money. Lend. Lend means give money to someone on condition that they will pay it back after some time. Next, borrow. Take money from someone on condition that you will return it to them later. Lord, master. Slave, a person who is owned by another person and is forced to work for the owner. Take blows, be hurt. Next, merry and free, happy and cheerful. These are the glossaries that comes in the poem. Yes. Now let's go through the poem. Yes. Here in this poem, the free man, the man who is satisfied with his life, is completely satisfied his life freely. How? Yes, let us discuss. I have a penny to spend, there thanks to nobody. It means, in the first stanza, it has been shown that man has a very little amount of money. He has a very small amount of money. He is not thanks to nobody. He is no thanks to nobody. But he is satisfied with his life. He is satisfied with his life. He does not want excess wealth. He does not want excess wealth. He has nothing to lend. He has nothing to lend. Nothing to lend means to give others, or he doesn't want to borrow from nobody. Yes, the man has the small amount of money, but he has completely satisfied his life. He has nothing to lend. Nothing to lend means give money to someone on condition that they will pay it back after some time. And he is also borrow from nobody. The first stanza, the poet described that completely about his satisfied life and he does not want any excess wealth. He has a small amount of money. With that money only he is satisfied his life. Next, in the second stanza, I am nobody's lord. I will be slave to nobody. I have a good broadsword. I will take blows from nobody. It means in this stanza, the free man says nobody is lord. Nobody is lord means he does not think himself superior to others. He does not think that he is not superior to others. And he does not want to slave to anybody. He does not want to slave to anybody. Whatever he is having sufficient for him. He will not expect the slavery for any reason. Any reason. Next, I have a good broadsword. I will take blows from nobody. Even he has sword to protect himself. He has a sword to protect himself. He has a good sword because he has confident to protect himself from the sword. So he said that I don't want anybody in my life. I have a good broadsword to protect myself only. Next, in the third stanza, I will be merry and free. I will be sad for nobody. Nobody cares for me. I care for nobody. Yes, see here, the free man says that he will be happy and cheerful. He will be happy and cheerful. Merry and free means happy and cheerful. He will not be bother anybody and it will be sad for nobody. He doesn't bother anybody and he will be sad for nobody. Nobody needs to take care of him and also he can define himself. What he can define? And as he lives previous. This independent nature of his actually makes a free. Yes, here the free man a very freely nature. His independent nature makes a free. Yes, here nobody cares and nobody cares for him also. So he is a very free man. He is very free man and he is very happy and cheerful in his life. Yes, my dear students, through this poem, what we have learned? Actually, free man wants that every person should live peaceful, satisfied, independent and contented life. And we should not live the life of compassion. We should live peaceful life. Understand, my dear students? Yes, I hope you understand the poem Free Man. In the next class, we will move on to the new lesson. Okay, children? Bye. Thank you.